Hello. Today we are looking at Tripped compression bags. So these are packing cubes or packing bags by a company called Tripped. And if you know the YouTube channel Tim and Fen, this is their company and they show these bags all the time on their YouTube channel. So I was very intrigued by these, and so I ordered them. It comes with a little thank you note and a little packing list from them. And I got the slightly imperfect ones. Apparently they had a die lot that didn't work out, so they were at a discounted price. But there are all kinds of configurations and shapes and different colors and designs on their Amazon page. So the links are below, so click on those links if you'd like to check these out. I haven't really looked at these, so I definitely haven't used them yet, but they look great so far. So here's like a little one, and it, I don't know, this would be good for, socks or underwear or whatever small thing you want to put in there. The bigger ones have two zippers. So there's a zipper to get in and open up and pack your items. So actually that's the compression zipper. So you unzip the compression zipper and make it all big. And then you unzip the zipper to let you put your stuff in there. So then after you pack your stuff and zip that back up, then you do the compression zipper and that gets all the air out. So you can organize and make your luggage more compact. I'm very excited to try these. So that's a little one, slightly bigger version of the same thing. And the two of the even bigger ones, so that's the biggest, that's the next. So I think this is going to be a very good addition to my luggage. I tend to overpack, even though I've been a backpacker for so long and know I shouldn't overpack, I still overpack. So this might make it worse, but who knows? The older I've gotten, the more luggage I bring, the more resources I have to bring luggage, but I still try to think like a backpacker. What if I had to run for the airplane? What if I had to run for that bus and I only had what I could carry? This also comes with a little laundry bag. This is nice. My husband always brings his laundry bag on all the trips, and I tend to just throw my stuff in his, but then we have to kind of sort it back out once we get home. So now maybe I'll have my own and I don't have to borrow his laundry bag. Okay, so that's the end of what I got. There are other options, and so don't forget to click the links below to look at those. Some of the printed ones are very, very pretty. They have nice scenes from travel on them. And man, I just can't wait to go somewhere so I can try these out. We just haven't been anywhere. Feels like forever. So ready to keep traveling. So I hope you found that useful and keep on traveling when you can. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.